Hello everyone. Today let us discuss about target lesions. Welcome you all to Oral Medicine and Radiology Made Easy. What are target lesions? These are symmetrical eruption of erythematous iris-shaped papules seen in erythema multiforme. What is erythema multiforme? It is a reactive mucocutaneous condition that affects the skin, mucous membrane or both. It consists of a spectrum of reactions that are acute and self-limiting. Remember, erythema multiforme is a acute condition and is a self-limiting condition. How is erythema multiforme caused? It's basically a hypersensitivity reaction. What happens here is the circulating immune complexes. What are immune complexes? When antigen combines with the antibody, immune complex formed. So these immune complex gets deposited in the basement membrane of the superficial vessels of the skin and mucosa. We are all aware that skin and mucosa consist of rich blood supply. So these superficial blood vessels supply skin and mucosa. So what happens in erythema multiforme is basically these immune complexes gets deposited in the basement membrane of the blood vessels supplying the skin and the mucosa. So because of the deposition of the immune complexes in the blood vessels, there is complement activation. And when the complement is activated, there is production of the inflammatory cytokines that produces vasculitis and thrombosis. There is inflammation of the blood vessel and formation of the thrombus. So when there is formation of the thrombus, it leads to tissue ischemia and necrosis of the adjacent epithelium. That is how the skin and the mucosa are affected. So it commonly affects the distal extremities, extensor surfaces of the arms, legs, elbows, knees, dorsum of hands and feet. So how they are formed? They form initially as macules. Now what are macules, papules, plaques I have described in my previous video of common oral lesions. So they usually form macules that are symmetric, round, erythematous, and they may be slightly pruritic or non-pruritic, and these macules evolve into papules or plaques that frequently display a circumferential pallor and evolve into target or iris lesion with concentric rings. So center of the papule forms a bulla and then necrotic ulcer, which results in a depressed white yellow grey area surrounded by pale edematous ring, and a bright red margin may surround this pale ring. So in a target lesion, there is a ulcer at the center which is depressed and white to yellow or grey area surrounded by pale edematous ring, then a bright red margin. So this is how it appears. This is the center region, consists of necrotic area, then there is a pale region, and then there is a red ring. So this is how the target lesions appear. So these are asymptomatic, discrete erythematous macules set in a concentric ring pattern, usually comprising of central bulla. So this lesion has three concentric zones. The central dusky or darker red area, which is nothing but the central bulla or area of necrosis, then a pale pink or edematous zone, and a peripheral erythematous zone. The size of the lesion varies from few millimeter to 2 centimeter in diameter. These lesions usually resolve in 3 to 5 weeks. With this, we come to the end of this presentation on target lesions. Thank you.